Hello friends, this is a second example of transistor as an amplifier. So in the previous case, the one example is that transistor just switch work in the cutoff and saturation region. Now this is an experiment of transistor as an amplifier work is in the active region. So active is the most important region for the amplification factor. So here I am consider that common emitter configuration connected over here. So one NPN transistor is there, RC resistance RE, one C3 capacitor is used for the bypassing the noise term. So any signal will noise element over here, it will bypass to ground. One R1 and R2 resistance present over here before the base terminal. So it will use as a biasing resistor. Clear? Biasing resistance and it will generate RB. Here the C1 and C2 is the coupling capacitor. It will the blocking DC blocking capacitor. So any kind of DC component is present in your AC signal, it will block in the input side as well as output side. I hope you can clearly understand all the component available in this circuit. So here is a 10 volt VCC supply, and for the amplification you have to add one AC input source to your base terminal. So I am considering here as a 10 millivolt input signal. So one voltmeter is connected with the input side and one voltmeter connected to output side. So I'm just starting this experiment. So at that time you clearly understand your input is 10 millivolt signal and output is 1 volt. I'm just clearly retrieving over here in the text box. Input is your input is 10 millivolt while your output is 1 volt approx equal. So you just converted a volt into the milliwatt, so output is 1000 milliwatt. So according to for pure exact match with output, your output voltage is 1.068 volt, so is approx equal to 1068 volt. Clear? So I hope you can clearly understand your millivolt signal become a volt. So this is the highest gain because common emitter amplifier, the gain is known as a beta. The range of beta is 40 to 200, means the gain of amplifier is the larger in case of the common emitter example. So we have to find the what is the gain of this transistor. So here I am just again taking one text box over here for the equation of the gain. So basically gain is equal to output divided by in. So basically this is equation of gain. So you can clearly know that the output is 1068 volt. So 1068 volt divided by input is 10. So the answer of this gain is 106.8. So your gain is 106.8. So what is the output voltage? So if this output multimeter is not connected with circuit, so output is defined by gain into your input signal. So your input signal is 10 milliwatt, your gain is 106.8 into your input is a 10 millivolt. So your output is become multiplication into gain is equal to 1.068 volt, or you can consider in the milliwatt also 1068 milliwatt. I hope you can clearly understand all these things. Clear? So this is your gain equation and your output is defined by your gain. So 10 milliwatt is converted into 1 volt or 1068 milliwatt. So this is one most important applications of your transistor as an amplifier. It will work in your active region of your transistor. I hope you can clearly understand the application of transistor as an amplifier. Thank you all.